Hi guys, and in today's video, Globe Gamer here, and today I am gonna let my friend cook in this weekly pack. Enjoy the video, and we're gonna rate it. So yeah, oh my god, that was such a loss. Doxel makes sense though. I love the Doxel. I love Ladybug here. Pretty good start. I think it's a drawish. Radish goated in this weekly pack. He loses because Ratback line is so good. This guy could have lost with Rat. Like, he's so confident that he put it on that position. Okay. Fried shrimp me. I think he wins now. Nice. Beetle good. Abomination. Take fried shrimp. Take Generok goated. Remove mole value. Oh my god. Mole value's gone. Oh my god. Radish. It's a griffin. Funny. Flame. Is that a Flame 96 reference? JK. Let's look at that. The Beetle. Ladybug so good. That is what my friend told me about this weekly pack. Ladybug good, which I guess, yeah. Yeah, it's just a scorpion. Yeah, it's just a scorpion. It's a griffin again. It's a griffin again. Oh my god. It always kills the back line. It crits and then fake. The ultimate disrespect. What of you, Pangolin? Just takes Sea Lion instead. Mole. Avom's actually kinda decent this weekly. Oh my. This is actually kinda good. Just dice though. Massive breakpoints. Ladybug too good. Double Sea Lion. Oh. It's been so long since I've ever, seen this run. Oh my. The rabbit value, the fig value. Oh, whale shark. Bass. It's a bass. Oh my god. Ladybug OP. Like what? Ladybug so OP. Questing Beast Holy Grail. We are cooking now. We are cooking now. 24-14. The cheese got wasted. And win. Oh. I love this. That's good. That's good. This board is amazing. 35 attack. I think he loses though. That was not close though. Holy water. Bad dog. We're rolling for bad dog. We hit it on the last roll. Oh my god. Oh. Look at this. Perk spam galore. Oh my god. 50 attack. 50 attack Scorpion. Oh my. 50 attack Ladybug. Which is basically just a scorpion. Like, what the? And then White Tiger eat? Oh my god. Dude. You might be saying, this team's better? Nah. We scale in battle. We win. We win. So that's the end of the video. Bye.